1998 Ford Ranger rocker panel passenger side repair, sanding, primer sanding, or you could say primer block sanding. So I put on the first coat of primer, and now I'm just sanding down a little bit of the rough edges, just doing a light sanding here. It actually felt very smooth with that 2-in-1 sandable primer that I used. So now I'm just going to sand down some of this, rub in the rough spots in preparation for the final sanding that I'm going to do with the automotive primer. This is the second primer I'm going to be using, which will be this. I'll do 3 coats of this. So I just want to get some of this down. I just didn't want it to show up in the paint. When I did last year, when I had done the driver's side, I didn't go through this extension of sand, putting on all this primer. I think I just did 2 coats of primer and called it a day. But I'm really putting a little bit more effort into this one, and because I have the time to do so. Let's put it that way. Timing is always everything. And when sand, they say you should do an X pattern. And the grit I'm using is actually 500 grit. And it feels really good. Alright. So, that was pretty much, that's the quick video. Did a little bit of quick sanding. So you can say that was primer sanding. Day 9, part 4. No, I'm sorry, day 9, part 3. Alrighty, I'll see you on the next one.